How to fix all iPhone keyboard issues in iOS 17. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app, scroll down, open this option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Restarting your device fixes minor glitches and bugs. So applying this solution might fix your issue, but still you are getting the issue. You can click on this option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Now type in your passcode over here and continue with the process to reset Keyboard Dictionary. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. But if you still encounter the issue, what you can do is come to the General page, click on the option of Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update your phone software to its latest version. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix all iPhone keyboard issues in iOS 17. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.